See, look at these parallel lines, and look how they converge. They completely go against this geometric drawing or these angles and these formulas. They don't work, friends. So anytime someone brings this up, bring them to this video, show them this picture, and this is the reality. The photograph is a reality. That's how we see everything. So this representing the sun is going away from you parallel to the ground, and then calculating your angles to the sun based on that is wrong, and it doesn't work. Okay, and quickly notice with this line of converging parallel lines or planes. Notice how the higher up they get, or the further away they get from the yellow line, which is your z-axis, notice how they orient themselves more and more vertically and less horizontally. Also notice how all the lines converge at the same point, the vanishing point.
It doesn't matter how high they are, they all go to the same place, which, interestingly enough, means that no matter how high that object is going away from you, it visually goes to the same place. That no matter how high that object is going away from you, it visually goes to the same place.
Okay, here's the wall of lines again. Notice that these are true perspective lines. These are parallel lines, but from the observer, which is this little guy down here, this is what these parallel planes or parallel lines would look like. They just happen to be represented by these wooden planks, right? But that's actual 2 4-inch diameter wiffle balls, and I put them on the ground, and I have a tape measure and everything. So the 2 balls are 6 feet apart, and the camera is a foot behind the near ball. So that makes the far ball 7 feet from the camera, and this ball's a foot from the camera. Okay, now you can see the far ball is about 1/10 the diameter of the near ball. And this would be your z-axis. Anything going away on your eye line, a line out from your eye in any direction is your z-axis, and it will shrink a lot. But now, as I raise the camera up, you're going to see, look at that. Voila. They're getting to be about the same size visually. I raised the camera up directly over the spot on the ground where I had the camera originally. And look at that. It's almost indistinguishable, just 7 feet up. So my law is, what I contend is that the higher the camera goes, or actually you can think of this as the balls going up. They're remaining parallel to the ground, but they're elevated, kind of like the sun would do over the flat earth. It's moving parallel to the ground, but it's high up. So I've had so many people come to my videos, oh, the sun would shrink to a dot. And a lot of flat earthers say the sun does shrink.